Hi, I'm Joshua Ehle with Blue Adobe Mortgage, and I'm here to talk about what do lenders look for when you're applying for a home mortgage. There are three key pieces of information a lender is going to be looking for. First being credit. The lender is going to want to see what your credit score looks like, as well as the history of payments to see if you're paying debt on time. They're probably going to ask you if any bankruptcies, short sales, foreclosures in the recent past as well. So those are some things they'll be looking for in your credit. The second key piece of information is your debt to income, also known as capacity. Can you pay back your mortgage comfortably? This is done just by taking your current debt, credit card payments, your car payments, any other installment loans that you might have out there, adding that to your future mortgage, and then dividing that by your monthly income. This number is going to help out your lender to determine if you can pay back your mortgage comfortably. And that's pretty much as simple as that piece of information is. The third piece of information is assets. Where's your down payment and closing costs going to be coming from? Savings account, checkings account, mutual funds, maybe getting a gift from a relative. All that's going to tell a story on your assets. And then you take those three things, it builds this pie of equal information that the lender is going to need, and it's going to tell a story for them. And that's of applying for a home loan, are those three key pieces of information. Check out some more videos, like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to hear, and we'll keep adding videos as we go. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you again.